Welcome to another half Pharaoh video. In this video we will be putting in the vinyl flooring and it looks pretty sweet. Like, I mean, banging! Rap horn after that, please. Yeah. Now let's do the 5-second subscribe challenge. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Have you seen those?
No.
They're hilarious. they're about to do something and they're like, stop! I'll give you 5 seconds to hit that subscribe button. 5, 4, 3,
quick!
2, 1. So, what was time at that point? That was a weird point. So let's do it. So today we are putting in the flooring, and you got to put this underlayment under it to keep it watertight, get it level and everything. So we're going to put that on. We're just pros at this, so take some advice from us because we do this like every day. This is our job and everything, so no, we're not.
I got a feeling it's the moment my life's gonna start. I got the feeling when the windows roll down in the car. I got the feeling if I wanna fly, I know that I could. I got a feeling, it's all feeling good. I got a feeling, it's all feeling good. The sun will show the way, I know the road to take. Throw all our cares away, I don't even knock on wood. The time is on our side.
Ooh, la-ti-da-ti-da. So we are now putting in the floor. We just put on the underlayment. It's just floating floor. You have to space from the wall, so we made these spacers out of the leftover beaded board that we used on the ceiling. And we're just gonna put them together. So yeah, I'm excited for this. I picked this floor because it will contrast most of the wood on the walls. The thickness is different than the walls, so it kind of contrasts just about everything about it. And it was on sale. Sale, sale, sale. 50 cents a board. 50 cents a square foot. It's a pretty good deal, I tell you. Pretty daggone good deal.
Cares away, I don't even knock on wood. The time is on my side, let's all enjoy the ride. I got a feeling, it's all feeling good. I got a feeling, it's all feeling good.
Flooring is pretty cool because you just snap it in like this, and it just kind of interlocks with each other. And then you just take a mallet and you give it a couple taps and it just kind of locks up. So yeah, pretty easy.
Above the ceiling, higher than the stars, push through the sky. My heart is beating faster when I got you right by my side. I got a feeling if we wanna run forever we could. I got a feeling, it's all feeling good. I got a feeling, it's all feeling good. The sun will show the way, I know the road to take. Throw all our cares away, I don't even knock on wood. The time is on the side, let's all enjoy the ride. I got a feeling, it's all feeling good. I got a feeling, it's all feeling good.
So we just finished the floor and it looks banging. And we're going to do the trim now. We're just going to kind of do the same trim as we did up on the ceiling. Just 1.5 inch plywood that's ripped down. The floor is pretty much done. The tiny house is almost pretty much done.
I got the feeling this heart won't ever stop. No, don't ever stop. The sun will show the way, I know the road to take.
This looks like Pro made this. so much for watching the whole video, and make sure to tune in. That sounds so weird because it's not a podcast. Gosh, I just got brain farts all of a sudden. Like, I say, oh, what do I say? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't know why I'm laughing at this. It's basically stupid. Thank you so much for watching this build of the tiny house. Make sure to subscribe to see what else we build and how the tiny house turns out. Adios, amigos.